Welcome back to another episode of Tool School. I'm Adam and today we're talking about saws. Now there's so many different types of saws. There's gas saws, there's electric saws, there's hand saws, and today we're going to go over a few. Now you probably see me using this saw quite often in my DIY videos. Now it's known as a miter saw or a chop saw. It's used when having to make quick cuts or accurate cuts on straight lines or angles. The blades range in size, usually from 8 to 12 inches, and are even interchangeable when cutting other materials such as metal, tile, or plastic. If you want to achieve the same result but with a little bit more elbow grease, you can use a miter box. This remarkable little plastic device has pre-cut grooves for your saw to follow, giving you a straight cut every time. A reciprocating saw, or a sawzal, is a portable yet powerful tool, used commonly in construction or demolition work. This saw can easily be maneuvered, making awkward position cuts much easier. Interchangeable blades can quickly be swapped depending on the material being cut. Keeping in the same family is a jigsaw, which also has a reciprocating blade but is much smaller. This is a very versatile saw and is commonly used for more finesse cuts or shape cuts. Now there's a couple other saws that are going to get an honorable mention in my video. The jab saw or drywall saw. The tree pruning saw, equipped with gnarly jagged teeth for ripping through bark and branches. And of course my personal favorite, the chainsaw, for when the going gets tough and the tough gets going. We obviously can't cover every single saw here, so hopefully you're leaving with a little more knowledge than you came in with. Thanks for watching another episode of Tool School. For more DIY videos, visit cottagelife.com.